Hello students, this is Kadam sir from Civil Department of Pravin Patil College. In last video we have started chapter number 5, that is Industrial Waste Management and E-Waste Management. We have seen some questions regarding e-waste such as definition, types of e-waste, effect of e-waste, the various components of e-waste, their origin and health effects, and the various disposal methods of e-waste. Now we will continue this chapter number 4 and we will cover the rest of the questions regarding industrial solid waste. So questions regarding industrial solid waste is the enlist the varieties of industrial solid waste and explain in brief. So there are various varieties of industrial waste, solid waste such as cinders, sludge, slag, waste plastic, waste metal, waste glass, waste concrete, waste ceramic, slag, rubble. So cinder means the coal ash, incineration residue, active charcoal, ash from the incinerator and other cinders. Sludge means the various kinds of muddy substances such as sludge from the drainage treatment and construction. Slag consists of foundry sand, waste from the sand blast, low quality coal, various waste from blast furnace, etc. The waste plastic consists of waste styrene foam, waste synthesized fibers, and another synthesized polymer such as solid liquid, including synthesized rubber. Waste metal consists of the waste iron, waste aluminium, and other waste materials generated in polishing, cutting, etc. Waste glass, waste concrete, waste ceramic includes the plate glass, waste fireproof bricks, plaster boards, waste concrete from a process to produce concrete product, etc. And rubble consists of concrete pieces, brick pieces generated in the construction, reconstruction, or removal of structures. So these are various varieties of industrial solid waste. Next question regarding industrial solid waste is state the types and characteristics of solid waste from engineering and chemical types of industries. So from the pulp and paper industries, there are various types of solid waste such as grit, which consists of oil and grease. Fly ash consists of fine dust. Sludge consists of high solid, and bleached pulp has high pH value materials. Also, there are various types of solid waste from chemical industries such as slag, which is acidic or alkaline, mud, which is high suspended solid, residue of refining, which is high alkaline, and scraps consist of various metal parts. Now we will see the various control measures for industrial waste management. So how we can control the generation of industrial waste. So first step is optimization of resources, then using again the scrap material, also reuse, then quality control improvement and process monitoring, then exchanging waste for reducing the generation. Next, point of use from ship to maintain and making the deliveries for the raw material to be used in with the manufacturing process. And zero waste, it is important step for controlling the industrial waste. Now we will see how we can recycle the industrial waste. So the recycling of various industrial waste such as fly ash, blast furnace slag, lime sludge, ferroalloy slag, non-ferrous metal waste, phosphogypsum, etc. as follows. So fly ash waste from the thermal plants is recycled for the manufacturing of cement, lightweight aggregates, insulating bricks, precast concrete, soil stabilization, land reclamation, etc. The blast furnace slag from the steel plant is recycled for the manufacturing of cement, refractory, ceramic material, aggregate, etc. Phosphogypsum waste from chemical plant is recycled for manufacturing of gypsum, plaster, boards, tiles, cement product, etc. The non-ferrous metal industry waste is recycled for the manufacturing of binder materials, construction block, heavy clay products, colored concrete floor tiles, polymer doors, etc. And the lime sludge from the paper allied industries is recycled for the manufacturing of building lime, masonry cement, lime bricks, binder material, etc. So these are the various industrial waste which can be recycled and reused for the various construction activities. So that's all in this video. So we have completed our chapter number 5, that is industrial waste management and e-waste management. So thank you very much. We will continue our subject solid waste management in the coming videos. Thank you.